In this video, we're going to break down exactly what the 6 blinks mean, what simple fixes you can try at home, and when the issue is serious enough to require professional repair. What does 6 blinks mean on a Sony TV? When the red light blinks 6 times, it generally signals a backlight failure, a LED driver malfunction, or a power board fault. In most models, the TV detects that the backlight is not switching on properly, so it immediately shuts down to prevent internal damage. This could be caused by burned out LED backlight strips, a failed inverter circuit, or a voltage irregularity within the power supply board. To fix this, try these troubleshooting steps first. Step 1. Power cycle the TV. Unplug the TV from power. Disconnect any external devices. While unplugged, press and hold the TV's physical power button for 15 to 30 seconds. Wait for 1 to 2 minutes, then plug back in and turn on. This sometimes clears temporary glitches or resets internal circuits. Step 2. Check power supply. Make sure the power cable is firmly plugged in and the socket works. Try a different wall outlet to rule out outlet issues. Also verify that no extension cords or smart plugs are faulty. Sometimes a bad power source triggers the error. Step 3. Check ventilation. Overheating can cause internal failures or force the TV into protective shutdown. Ensure vents aren't blocked and there's enough airflow around the TV. If dust has built up over time, cleaning vents carefully might help. Step 4. Reset your TV. On some models, even if the screen is blank, you can force a reset. Unplug the TV, hold the power button, then plug it back while holding. Wait for a white or green light or a reset indicator. Once reset, you may need to reset up the TV, reconnect devices, and redo settings. This sometimes resolves software or minor hardware misconfigurations. Step 5. Disconnect external devices. Remove any connected HDMI devices, USB drives, consoles, sound systems. Just run the TV standalone and test again. Sometimes external devices interfere or cause power draw issues. If the TV continues blinking 6 times even after trying the mentioned steps, then the issue is almost certainly hardware related. The most common culprit is failed LED backlight strips, which degrade over time or burn out due to heat or age. Another common issue is a defective backlight inverter or LED driver board, which is responsible for regulating voltage to the LEDs. These internal failures require opening the TV, testing components, and replacing boards, and this is the task that should only be done by someone trained in electronics, as incorrect handling can cause further damage.